Hey everyone, welcome back to Linearity Curve. Today we are diving into another exciting design tutorial where we'll tackle a package design together. Our focus? Navigating the drawing tools alongside of the text tool. Let's kick things off by tracing a flat box shape with the pen tool. I'm going with a vibrant red from my palette, keeping the fill and stroke on. Keep clicking on the corners of the shape, and with one last click, close the pad. To get the details just right, I'm lowering the opacity to see what's underneath. Now let's add some dynamism with the pencil tool by creating freeform shapes in a contrasting purple. Lower the opacity again. And after drawing, a little tweak of the nodes makes it just perfect. In order to create the next shape, I will subtract the small oval from the big one. Easy peasy with one click in the Style tab under the Pad section. Let's proceed with completing the rest of the pattern. For the finishing touches, apply the same steps to the cute coffee bean shapes. Subtract, copy-paste, and sprinkle them around the canvas. With all the shapes in place, it's time for masking. Select them all, hit the mask button in the Style tab under the Arrange section. And there you have it. It's shaping up nicely. Did you notice those ghost reference lines over the box? Time to trace them. Defining the size of the box and where the text will sit. Opting for a bright white color, I'm using the rectangle tool to wrap up this section. We're almost there. One more crucial step. Text. I'm going with the Georgia typeface. Adjusting the size and type based on hierarchy. Feel free to rewind or pause to catch the exact settings. And if you're hungry for more details on text tool, check out our courses where we deep dive into every single tool. Happy designing!